What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is day 2 of LS Fest, Texas. We are walking around. We're about to walk past Weston Champlin's booth, and we were just gonna walk around, check out some cars, get some cinematics. Yesterday was crazy and I didn't get too much video, but let's dive into it today. It's hot out here. It's cooler today, but my phone actually kept shutting off from overheating, so we'll see what we can get. But it's also windy, so I apologize. You're gonna get mostly cinematics, but let's go see if anybody's checking out the bug and go see what event we're gonna go to first.
Yeah, one leg out that brand new Benz way. Hometown asking in my wrist, yeah. Repetition from my chest, that's a bench press. Studio, we chillin', are we making hits, yes. Waiting for the next tour, you wish I was piss poor. Saw they getting mad, but what they really...
I just had to come say hi.
How are you?
Good. I got a YouTube channel. I watch your YouTube channel all the time.
Oh, thanks.
Wanted to come say hi. Don't mean to bother you, but have a great one, man.
You're awesome. Thanks.
Freaking awesome. Good to see Matt from Demolition Ranch out here. Got Weston's booth over there. It's a freaking party. Just mobbing out to grab John real quick. All right, we are back in the pits. We have the nastiest trailer setup here. But anyway, it's windy, we're here. John is going to record and we are going to swap out the radials for the Burnout tires that are in there. We're gonna pull the hood off and get this thing prepped to shut down the show tonight.
It's gonna happen. Just like at LS Fest.
Exactly.
In Vegas.
The Holly lady was like, oh. That's not going anywhere. Let's just, let's try this little trick real quick. I can't snap, I can't snap. High five me, here we go. Woo! I guess you could say that slaps. All right, here we go. We got the hood off and, oh, we didn't pull off the jack, but we got the cute little Burnout tires on there. Boom. Now we're gonna hop in, mob, go park it, and let's do this. All right, boys, we just fired it up real quick. Fired it up. We heard the loudest pop, and I'm like, it throws a rod when I start it. Nah, my hood hinge said, no thank you. Well, that decided to yeet itself out of existence, so we're just gonna leave it. Well, yeah, I shouldn't get in the way of anything.
Where?
It's spicy.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, that's funny as heck. Well, it'll be fine. It's not going anywhere for the Burnouts. It doesn't even care. I mean, we know it went to 195.
I can feel the tires slipping.
I have to, yes. We have to. I mean,
hello.
back for burnout mode. Obligatory picture in front of Chloe and see if they get mad or not.
They probably won't.
I was told to talk to the media guys, but... Alright, let's get some pictures real quick before they kick us out.
It is hot.
Spicy, yeah, sorry.
Slightly.
What do we do with the exhaust?
I appreciate it. We're going to be in the burnout competition at 8 o'clock.
Awesome.
We're going to shut the show down. Thanks for doing it here. Oh, dude, turbo, get the turbo. Oh, it's still spinning.
Oh, is it still spinning?
Yeah, here, let me grab the picture real quick.
I gotta get a picture and put you on
When you go out, you're going to drive out to the middle, turn, and you're going to kind of face me back at me, and then I'll point you and give you the okay.
All right,
And
sweet.
you'll have your 60 seconds to do whatever you want. And you'll exit out in that cage side over there, 5 6, you'll look you around, and then you'll turn you loose and just kind of hang out, and we'll figure out who the winner is.
Sweet, sounds good, man. Appreciate it. No standing burnouts. John, no standing burnouts.
Is that what he said?
Yeah, he just said it again. That's what they said, but
Well, no one did standing.
they did. Literally every person did.
Yesterday?
No, in Vegas.
No, I know in Vegas. I'm talking
No.
Tell me the thing about it. What is the story?
It's been longer, in the family longer than me. I pulled out of the field, decided to make it crazy. Yeah.
Man, you did something crazy and I had to make it all for you.
Go right here. No, go right. Fall a little bit. We're going to stop right here. Stop right here. Hey, stop. Let him look it over. You lose it.
Naturally.
Good girl.
Yeah. You kidding me? Wow, alright. Exactly what I was worried about, man. Woohoo! I don't know. No, I got it. You did. don't know, man. You know how it goes.
Man.
Electrical issue. I don't know. It just shut off. I got pushed out, fired back up. So.
Did it really?
Yeah, it was like a slow crank, weird thing.
Oh man, that happens. That's all right, bro. This thing's got a couple extra neutrals and stuff in it. We got the tune right in it, took it out there, got out on the road, made about 6 pounds of boost, and then a whole lot more neutrals in our 4L60. So you guys going back to Utah, or what do you do?
Back to Utah. We got a hotel for tonight.
Oh yeah, dude, that thing rips. That thing is good.
We'll be back out.
So what size that PVC on the intake?
What size?
Yeah, what's that?
4 inch.
Oh, there we go.
That's good.
If you want to have some, just go ahead.
Get a hat. Get the man a hat.
Such a redneck scientist, you got to get one.
I appreciate it, man.
There we go. Let's get that bad boy on there. Oh, you're gonna have to make it a little smaller, but that's all right. Well, hey, I appreciate you guys coming out, dude. It was such a freaking blast to meet you, and that freaking bug is awesome.
I appreciate it, dude. Thank you. Hope to see you again soon. Maybe someday we can line them up.
Dude, that would be freaking fun. We got to do that sometime. Hit me up on Instagram. I'm on Instagram all the time.
Sweet. I'll DM you.
All right, sounds good.
Thanks, man.
Let's get Daddy and take a picture.
Sweet, sweet.
Hello, how are you, old man? You watch my YouTube?
Alrighty guys, so I am editing this video, and naturally I didn't film an outro. I was very upset, to say the least. Yeah, so I had looks like my negative terminal on my battery come loose, and that's the only thing so far I can guess that caused that issue. So it was really, really frustrating to have, to drive a 40-hour round trip over 2,000 miles just to have a negative terminal, caused my bug to die halfway through, and I couldn't get back into the Burnouts. So that was super frustrating, but all in all, it was an amazing trip. Weston Champlin is awesome, and so is Matt from Demolition Ranch. They're both super sick, but it was a party to meet them, and it was a party to come see everybody at LS Fest Texas. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the links that we're going to get content for you guys. We'll have another video up very soon, going to a burnout competition, and it is going to be sick. And we got more projects coming to the channel that we're going to get done quickly. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for all the love and support. Thank you for subscribing and sharing and all of that. Don't forget to stay hungry, stay humble, stay motivated. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
On the bright side, yeah. On the bright side, yeah. One leg out that brand new Benz way. Hometown asking in my wrist, yeah. Repetition from my chest, that's a bench press.